how to earn from Black Friday or e-commerce business. There are many ways, but I will tell you 2 ways. 1. Go to www.daraz.pk web link, register yourself for affiliate marketing. Upon selling of every product you will get a commission up to 11%. It's like Amazon affiliate marketing. The advantage is that it's Pakistani based. You don't have to deliver anything, the product will be delivered to the customer by Daraz Team. You just have to look for the niche which people will be interested in. Then do your work. 2. Go to www.daraz.pk web link and join dforce. You will have to go to the event, free, that will be of 2 hours. You will be explained everything how you can earn. You will be an official Daraz agent to deliver the product. You can watch in this video how this system works. Go.gl web link. In this way, it is shown that you will be sign in via special ID, you will be able to buy anything for the behalf of the customer, and the product will be delivered to his home. If it is delivered and bought, you will get a commission based upon its earning that you can check here. www.daraz.pk web link. It means if you sell a product of 1999 Rs, you will get 125 to your account. For this, you don't need a hosting, a domain or anything. You will lose nothing, even the product is delivered back in case of the customer doesn't like. You will sign in via dforce.pk. It's like easy load. If a person needs an easy load of R'(S.50, it is delivered, and he will give money. The same it is the case with it. A friend, family member or any person wants a thing, you deliver the product by your special ID, if it is bought, you get money. Simple. No investment needed nor lose of anything. I attended the event yesterday. It was great. Now, it is your turn. Have confusions? Ask questions.